3.5.3 Solve systems of inequalities from word problems. The essential question is, how do I determine possible solutions to a system of inequalities given a verbal description and a graph? Let's look at the example. The skill is, I can formulate a system of inequalities. Marcia makes and sells handcrafted picture frames in 2 sizes, small and large. It takes her 2 hours to make a small frame and 3 hours to make a large frame. The shaded triangular region shown below is the graph of a system of inequalities representing weekly constraints Marcia has in making the frames. For making and selling S small frames and L large frames, Marcia makes a profit of $30 plus $70 Marcia sells all the frames she makes. For every hour that Marcia spends making frames in the 2nd week of December each year, she donates $3 from that week's profit to a local charity. This year, Marcia made 4 large frames and 2 small frames in that week. Which of the following is the closest to the percent of that week's profit Marcia donated to charity? So there's 2 things that we need to find here. We need to find the total profit, and then we need to find how much is donated. So to find the total profit, we just plug it into this formula right here. So we know that the small frames was going to be 2 and the large frames was 4. So if we plug that into the formula, we have 30 times 2 plus 70 times 4. So we have 60 plus 280. $340 altogether. So if she donates $3 for each hour, we want to find the total hours. Okay, so to do that, we have 4 large frames, and it takes 3 hours for 1 large. And it takes 2 hours for each small. So we're going to have 3 times the number of large frames made, which was 4, plus 2 times the number of small frames made, which was 2. 12 plus 4 is 16 hours. 16 altogether, 16 hours. And so to find how much she donated, we're going to have $3 times 16 hours. That's 48. $48 were donated. So we have 48 out of 340. And we're going to convert this fraction into a percentage. We can go ahead and put this in the calculator. 48 divided by 340. And we're going to multiply that by 100. It's about 14%. All right, go ahead and try the next problem. On this one, there are multiple combinations you can choose. There's many more than just 3. Once you're done, move on to the next skill.